11:18, Betsy is back now, and as we said earlier, it was springtime just a few hours ago.
Keep in mind, at 5:39 this morning, it was 69 degrees.
Wow.
And now, whoa.
It's not.
It's not. As a matter of fact, in a 24-hour period, we've dropped almost 40 degrees. Let's take a look. 38-degree temperature drop in the last 24 hours, Cuyahoga County Airport. So between 30 and 35 elsewhere. And where do we sit now? Well, we are setting up for a wintry mix in the morning. More moisture coming in over this cold air, and that will allow the rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. We get the whole bag tomorrow morning with temperatures in the low 30s. By afternoon, then, it's all gone. I think midday into early afternoon, we'll see the last of it moving out. We'll see sun peaks setting up, and that will certainly be welcome after what could be a bumpy morning. But keep in mind, the road temperatures are up thanks to our 70-degree day yesterday, 70-plus degree day. And the temperatures tonight are not expected to crash. So there's that. We have right now flirting with freezing. And as the beginnings of the moisture starts to move in, that is setting us up for a little bit of sleet and mixed precipitation, which is just kind of a general bag, a generalized term that the National Weather Service uses when the automated observing system just kind of can't characterize what it's getting. I like to call it thick rain in this case, a little bit of a snow-rain mix going on. But you can see there's more to come as this big slug of moisture works our way. Now, as far as the hour-by-hour forecast, you can see the temperatures go down to around freezing by the time 6 a.m. rolls around. Remember, when we talk about changing precipitation types, you're not only dealing with surface temperatures, but you have to look at the vertical temperature profile. If above the surface we have above freezing temperatures, that's going to melt all the little snowflakes and the raindrops and the ice crystals that are coming down, and that's where you start to mix everything up. Can it refreeze before it hits the surface? Does it freeze when it hits the surface? A la the mixed bag. And we have snow and sleet. We'll have sleet and freezing rain, and then freezing rain that fades down to just rain that does not freeze on contact, thus the rain, as we go through the morning. Now, the latest models are bringing everything farther north, and that includes warmer air aloft and at the surface. So we will probably see that wintry mix backing off earlier, but you can see we still hold on to that chance through midday. And then into the afternoon, it all clears out. Temperatures get up to about 40-plus degrees. So it's not looking like a bad afternoon for us. But the tricky part is in the morning. Now, because we get a little bit warmer, we get less of that snow going on. That's why the snow accumulation forecast has come down somewhat. But we still have the chance for a light glazing of freezing rain down around the US 30 corridor up to about 76 and 224. North of that, we'll go with a little sleet freezing rain, and then you get into some snow with some light accumulations possible. There is a winter weather advisory in effect 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. for a good part of the area. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. That early mix is out of here by afternoon. We'll be in the 30s to right around 40, 50s with rain returning Friday. We have rain Saturday, Sunday, and then finally we dry out. Very seasonable, not too bad.